Okay, so you may or may not know this, but I have a Traxxas 2018 Slash, and I had these old batteries, and unfortunately, they both burn out 2 days in a row. One the first day, one the second. I'd like to thank Faye Hobbies for actually having this in stock and telling me some useful information on this Traxxas set. Now, I didn't know I wanted to make a video out of this, so I've already opened all the stuff and used it, but let me say it is really good performing. Now, this is the 2S, which includes with the blue charger and the LiPo battery. Now, let's say you were to use the black charger that probably comes with every single RC car. That would overheat the battery cell if you weren't using a NIM battery. If you were using a LiPo, it could potentially catch on fire, and that's never good. I've never heard of that being referred to as a good thing. But the best thing about this is that it's ID, and this charger that comes with it, it's a good charger because it can actually charge both. It can charge this old battery here that I used to have, this one, because it has the ID. Now, this one also is broken. It's stuck on halfway charged, and the ESC just flashes when I plug it in. So, enough of that. Let's open it up. So, here we have the charger. So, this part you can't peel off, and it's a good guide. So, make sure to read this section. You don't need to read any of the warnings, but read this guide table right here. It'll tell you a bunch of useful information that isn't included on the charger, like the consistency of the blinks per repetition being blinked. So like one blink would mean less than 25, 2 more than 25, and lower than 50, 3 more than 50 or more, and lower than 75, and 4 meaning 75 or higher. And then when it's solid green, that means you're ready to go. Plug in your LiPo battery. Now, it's called, like I said, the peak detecting balance charger. It can charge both NIM and LiPo. That's good, but make sure you have the ID before you try plugging it into this. Now the 2S set is great. Like I said with Fayette Hobbies, they had this in stock, and they actually have a pretty neat track here in Georgia. So I'll just open this up, and we have our battery here. It has the ID, so it's good to plug into here. Safe. 3,000 milliamp. Part 2827X. 2-cell LiPo. Now there is a 3-cell one, but since I have a 2018 Slash, I think the battery compartment's probably smaller than the new one, so I had to downgrade the size, and that's also downgrading your motor's maximum speed, but it's worth it upgrading from NIM to LiPo. So that's everything about the Traxxas 2X set.